Why do you find it difficult to learn other people's language? Or let me say, why don't you want to learn Igbo language? Or do you think it's difficult? No way. It's not difficult at all. At all. Okay, just sit back. Don't scroll. Sit back and listen. Just few seconds. Pardon, minutes, not seconds. All right. Places. Ahia. Ahia. Market. Ahia. Marketplace. So we have ụlọ akwụkwọ, school, ụlọ akwụkwọ, school, ụlọ akụ, bank, ụlọ ọrụ, ọrụ. Now ọrụ is work, ọrụ, ụlọ ọrụ. So your workplace, ụlọ ọrụ. Then addition, let's look at short sentences in the house. For instance, you woke up, you want to shower, what do you say? How do you say it in Igbo? Achọrọ m ịsa ahụ. Or you tell someone, gaa saa ahụ, gaa saa ahụ, go take a shower, go take a bath. Gaa saa ahụ, gaa saa ahụ. Gaa taa atụ, gaa taa atụ, go brush your teeth. Gaa taa atụ, go brush your teeth. Gaa saa ahụ, go take a bath. Hope you enjoyed the class. A quick recap of what's done. Market, ahia. School, ụlọ akwụkwọ. Bank, ụlọ akụ. Workplace, ụlọ ọrụ. Police station, ụlọ uwe ojii. Ụlọ uwe ojii. Thank you. Help me to like, share my video. See you in my next class.